For visitors and investors and buyers and people considering living here from, say, from the United States, they're going to ask about healthcare, especially if they're my age. I mean, I'm 80, but anybody over 40 or 50 is starting to think about healthcare. And should they be here? Is it a risk? How is the healthcare here in Medellin compared to, say, the United States? Well, I can tell you after 18 years here, it's great. First thing that I love about healthcare here, it's about 1/4 the cost of the United States. That's the first thing. Second thing is quality. Here in Medellin, some great hospitals. In fact, of the top 42 hospitals in Latin America, 8 are here in Medellin, if you can believe that. 8. And many of the doctors here speak English. They've been trained in the States, they've been trained in Europe on their specialties. The hospitals here are really amazingly clean. I mean, I haven't even heard about MRSA here, antibacterial resistant bacteria. In the States, it kills about 20,000 people a year. They don't have that here. I'd have never seen it. Specialists, I can go to a top specialist, get an appointment within 2 or 3 or 4 days and spend 30, 40 minutes. It might cost me 35, 40 bucks out of pocket. I've had several operations here, total cost less than $1,000. The healthcare here is really, really good. And I personally would not go back to the States for anything unless it was some very elaborate something or other they don't have here in Colombia. But I really think this is one of the best strong points about living here is the healthcare and the doctors and the hospitals and healthcare insurance. If you're going to get private insurance here, it'll cost you maybe $250 a month for top quality care comparable to anything you get in the States with some of the best doctors on the planet. And I can tell you, I've been through it all. In fact, one of the things I do for first time for visitors here that need any kind of help, I've got a list of about 18 different doctors and specialties that I personally vetted or know of that I share with people in case they need something done. So healthcare here, to me, is a huge plus when you consider living in Medellin.